And here's another delivery from Tropic Supply, store number T23. Good morning, Santos.
Good morning, Ronnie.
And we're getting another Allied delivered. Good morning. This is Ronnie with Alina Group, and we are installing another Allied. Yes, Heather and Stephanie, another Allied video. We're installing a 2.5-ton heat pump, front drawer, and we have Keo and our apprentice junior, and we're going to be starting this installation here. So we're tearing out this old ICP and installing this new Allied. And Keo, our installer, and Junior, our apprentice here. He works with us on the weekends. He goes to school during the week. And he's learning quite a bit here. And pretty soon he's going to be a full-blown mechanic. Then we can get rid of Keo and get Junior for a much cheaper price. And this is our Allied 2.5-ton front drawer unit with built-in 5K heat. And Junior's mounting our new thermostat. And Keo has our new Allied front drawer installed, and we're just getting it sealed. And we are done with our Allied installation. I want to thank everyone from Tropic Supply. You know, this is a great product. The customer is very happy. We've been selling a ton of these, and the service that I get from Tropic Supply is just totally amazing. And it's Allied equipment, trouble-free. We've been having a great run with it and having a great season, so thank you.